This video is about how you can legally migrate to Estonia within 30 days. You do not need to have proof of fund. There is no English language proficiency test. There is no age limit. The total cost of applying for Estonia D visa is only €100 compared to the UK, where you will be paying close to £2,000 to apply. This country will only charge you €100. Furthermore, Estonia is one of the most digitalized society in the world. It has one of the best public sector in the world, one of the most educated society in the world. According to the United Nations Index 2023, 99.9% of Estonians are literate. That is how advanced this country is. For those who may not know where Estonia is a European country. It is part of the NATO, part of the EU, and it has borders with Finland, Sweden, Latvia, and Russia. If you move to this country, you will be able to travel to other EU countries such as Germany, France, the Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, and the list goes on. This is an advanced country. Your children, if you have children, will be able to access first-class healthcare and education if you move to this country. This is a stable, prosperous country that is very, very peaceful as well. The cost of living in Estonia is very, very low. The average minimum wage in Estonia is €1,300 a month. So you are going to be earning a good wage, and the standard of living, the cost of living is very, very low. If you are seeing my video for the first time, my name is Francis. I do videos to help people to legally migrate abroad without needing to use the service of a lawyer or agent, and therefore save them money. If you are planning to travel abroad this year, either through student or occupation route, Launch Club Media would work with you in that journey and work with you until you achieve your migration dream. The information that we provide in our videos have been rigorously researched by a team of experts. The comments that you leave in the comment section will be responded to. It is in your best interest, therefore, to consider subscribing to this channel, turn on your post notification bell so that when we release video, you will be the first to know. We want to help as many people as possible to legally migrate abroad without needing to spend money on lawyers and agents. Consider following us on all our social media platforms. We are a force for good to help people achieve their goal. Thank you. So Estonia is the good news we have for you today. As you heard from me earlier, this country is crying out for labor. They are crying out for skilled laborers who can come to the country to contribute. If you have IT, if you work in IT, if you're an engineer, a computer scientist, an English teacher, you are you've got a skill in health, you're a healthcare professional, you need to consider Estonia. Why should you consider Estonia? The competition to move to Estonia is not as competitive compared to countries like the UK, Canada, and Australia. The cost of applying for the visa is only €100, and you will get your visa within 30 working days. When it comes to migration, you need to have plan A and plan B. And when plan A is not working, you need to be able to switch to plan B as soon as possible. So, what do you need to do in order to migrate legally to this country, which is regarded as the most digitalized society in the world? Number one, you need a job offer. You need to make sure that you don't have you have a passport, which is valid for a minimum of 6 months. And you need to make sure that you have a police clearance from your home country stating that you're not a wanted person. And you need to be someone who is in good health. Once you have those 3 things, the next thing you need to have is a job offer from an employer in Estonia. In order for you to get a job offer from Estonia, there are websites that you can use to optimize your search. Whilst the formal language in Estonia is not, the official language is not English, most people in Estonia understand English very, very well. As I said before, 99.9% of Estonians are literate. So there are sites that you can use to optimize your search. Sites such as LinkedIn, Glassdoor, jobs.com, Estonia, academic job. There's another site called cv.ee.com. There's another site called cvmarket.evuse.ee. I will leave a link, and there's estoniajobs.com, which is one of the most popular sites where a lot of the visa sponsorship jobs in Estonia are advertised. I will leave links of all the sites that you can use to search for jobs in Estonia on the description section so that you can kickstart searching for jobs in Estonia. Okay, so let me quickly summarize why you should consider moving to Estonia. This country is a very small country with a population of just under 1.4 million. The IT sector is booming. So if you have IT skills, you have engineering skills, you've got construction skills, you should be looking at Estonia. Okay, so the description section, look out for the description section. If you have any question, leave your comment in the comment section. I will respond to all the questions. Consider Estonia. This is a high income country. Quality of living in Estonia is very, very high. And if you are finding value for this video, make sure you consider subscribing to Launch Club Media. We want to help as many people as possible to legally migrate abroad without needing to spend money on agent or lawyer. So the only thing you need is a job offer, and the sites that I've put in the description section, you will be able to use them to start searching for a job. Once you have a job from an employer in Estonia, the employer will need to register the offer with Estonia Police and Border Services and send you the offer of employment, which you then take to your home country, the embassy in your home country, to apply. It's 30 days it takes for you to get the visa, and the cost of the visa is only €100. If they don't have Estonia embassy in your country, countries like Belgium or one of the EU countries will issue the visa. I hope you have found value for this video. Consider subscribing to Launch Club Media. We want to help as many people as possible to legally migrate without needing to spend money on agent or lawyer. Make sure you look out for our next video and use the tools that I've left in the description section to work on your CV as well. That tool is there for you to work on your CV, and I'm giving you that tool free of charge. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Make sure you consider sharing this video with anyone that you know would benefit. And make sure you consider subscribing to Launch Club Media. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comment in the comment section. I will respond. May God bless you. May God let your dreams come true. I will see you soon.